to Reviews, and today we're here with Sam and Lance. This is a Canadian sustainable women-owned subscription box. I think this is really interesting, and I have to say that I love boxes like this. So I'm going to tell you all about it right now. I wrote it all down so that I can really help you guys. All right, so this is the Empower Her subscription box, a conscious curation of products created by women, featuring only women-owned brands, shipped seasonally. So this is a seasonal box. It will come once a quarter. That's 4 boxes a year. Every box is $59.95 Canadian dollars. I will do a conversion and then put that down in the description box because I know that, you know, that's something that we have to take into account. So it's not in USD yet, but it will be down in the description. So, all right. You can save $10 if you subscribe to the annual box, though, obviously. And then there is shipping charges. They're calculated at checkout. It depends on where you live. Every box includes 6 to 7 ethical, cruelty-free, vegan, sustainable products that are full-sized. The box is worth $150 Canadian. I have a hair stuck to my face, and I don't like it. So I don't know if I told you guys, I got a kitten. Henry is super cute. He's super sweet, and he's also loud, and he's going to be making noise all over the place. While we make this video, I'm just letting you guys know. Maybe he'll come and visit. Come here, buddy. Anyway, let's get in here. I don't know what's in here yet. We're going to find out together. All right. All right, so here is the little... We're not going to peek. This tells us what's in here. I'm sorry. We'll go over it at the end, though. All right. Okay. Cheeks Ahoy. This is a hemp and bamboo beauty cloth. Oh, I didn't take pictures yet, but are you gonna come have fun with me? Come here. Psst, psst. Oh, this is super soft. Oh, for when you wash your face and when you take your makeup off. Oh, it's so soft. It's like one side is super like microfibery. The other has a little bit more like, I want to say like threading, has like to really get in there and clean out. So that's super nice. Too. I think something in the box smells good. All right. Next we have, the future is bamboo. Oh my gosh, 400 bamboo cotton swabs. All right, so these are cruelty-free, ocean-friendly, so soft, biodegradable, vegan, all that good stuff. I actually literally today ran out of Q-tips. How? Anyway, just gotta. Anyway, look, there they are. I've never used a bamboo Q-tip, so I'm looking forward to trying them out. This is a really cool container, too, to keep Q-tips in. That's a space saver, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there he is. Say hi. Say hello. I'm so cute. Oh, he's so sweet. He's just the most precious little man. I love him so. I love him. He's just a doll. I can't, like, I see him, like, and like my heart like melts. Look at him. He's just so perfect. And he just sits here. I'll like hold him for like, what are you doing? Isn't he precious? My buddy. My little buddy. Don't like my makeup off, man. Don't do that. All right. Go back. Okay. Anyway. My new bud. I love him. Can't help it. All right. Next up, we have Amaya Retinoic Face Oil. Natural retinol alternative from the Amazon rainforest, made in Toronto, my favorite city ever. I love Toronto. I was fortunate enough to be able to go to Toronto, and I just had one of the best times of my whole life there. Apply day and night on face and body. So there is not retinol in here because you can use it in the daytime. Retinoic. I'm going to have to look into that. I will link down below to Sam and Lance, so you can check them out if you desire. I will also link to my full review on my blog where we'll go in depth. We'll find prices. We'll do the breakdown. We'll talk about each product a little more in depth. This is simply just the unboxing. All right. Next up we have, what's next? This, oh, nail polish. This is pretty. RW, I think. And the color is called Favored. Women-owned, 10-free, vegan-friendly, gluten-free, carefully curated just for you. Rooted Woman. That's the name of the company. So there is that. Super cute. All right, next up we have, what's this? Cinnamon chai, clean hands, please. Hand sanitizer. Ooh, I want to smell it. Cinnamon chai. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it does have that chai, that like clovey. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. Who makes this? Clean hands, please. It's 2-ounce bottle. All right. Oh my gosh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. I did get it in my mouth though, and I didn't love that, but I'm just being honest. All right. Ooh, yay! All right, so this is Sequoia, proudly indigenous bath bomb in sweet grass. I've never had a sweet grass scented anything, so that's cool. I love, if you guys watch my channel for any length of time, I #1 love hot baths. Like, that's a thing. I take more, well, come over. Do you want to come here? I take more hot baths than anybody I've ever met. Like, it should be illegal. I take like 3 sometimes a day if I'm cold. But I definitely take 1 almost every day. Even if I shower, even whatever, I like a hot bath. Bath bombs though are like, they just make it even better. If I can't get I'm specific about my bath bombs. If I can't get good ones, I'll just use bath salt because I feel like, you know, whatever. Ooh, am I gonna open this? I'll tell you this, it smells beautiful, but it's shedding a little and I don't want to get it all over myself. All right, so I think that's everything. Make sure. All right, so in our box, we have our bath bomb from Sequoia, the bamboo Q-tips, this retinoic face oil, our Rooted Woman polish, our face cloth, and our hand sanitizing spray. We're gonna go over every product, what they say about each one. Okay, the face oil. This face oil is made from 100% sustainably wild harvest aguaje oil. I've never heard of that. And all my skincare reviews never experienced that product, so I'm super excited for that. It is suitable for all skin types. Use the oil morning and night after thoroughly cleansing and toning your face. The cotton swabs are made vegan and cruelty-free, made with minimal packaging and CO2 offset program. Fun fact, Moso bamboo grows amazingly fast to 91. Oh, bamboo is actually like, the reason that bamboo is so sustainable is that they can grow so much of it in such a little area. And it's extremely easy to harvest and turn into products. So it's not like trees where we're cutting down trees and it takes forever to grow a tree, where bamboo will grow back, and, you know, we should be using bamboo all the time. The problem is that it's a little bit invasive. So like we kind of have to, it just comes in and takes over. Like, I know that there's areas in my town where we have bamboo and it's like everywhere, but it's so good for the environment. So that's awesome. Anyway. All right, the Sequoia Bath Bomb. Sweetgrass is herbal sweet perfection for relaxation. Bath time when you can close your eyes and think of summer. Maximum fizzing, no residue left behind. 99% natural ingredients. The beauty cloth is hemp and bamboo fleece and a luxurious hypoallergenic cloth, perfect for oil cleansing and removing makeup. Hemp and bamboo make one of the most sustainable fabrics. They are fast-growing, high-yield crops that require no pesticides or herbicides. Nail polish is handmade, non-toxic, vegan, and gluten-free. They are also 10-free, which means they don't use 10 most harmful chemicals found in most nail polishes, especially if you're like a biter. Don't be putting that stuff in your mouth. All right, the hand sanitizer, which I think is my favorite product in this box, is 100% natural, moisturizing hand. It does have a little bit of a moisturizing hand spray sanitizer infused with essential oils that contain antibacterial, disinfectant, and antiseptic properties. So like I said, that is my box from Sam and Lance. If you're interested in checking out the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to my blog where I will go in depth and we'll do a price breakdown. I will also put the prices in USD down in the description as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time.